Motown Tress is one of my favorite affordable brands, and this specific color is my absolute favorite. So when I found this wig, I wanted to share it with you, and I need to share it with you fast because it is going fast, because a lot of times wigs get discontinued and I don't like it. But this one is still available from 2 different places. I will link those down below. But I want to get to the full review and all the deets and everything. What we are talking about, I will get to. This is Motown Tress's Riley. So if you want to know everything about Miss Riley, this beautiful, stunning color, all of the specifics, how I got her together, then let's get to it. Hi, my name is Tia. I'm a wig coach and a wig educator. I do wig reviews, wig tips, tricks. I do a lot of stuff, okay? So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, then you're my doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Hello. So I have this gorgeous girl. So this is Motown Tress's Riley. So you can see her in a stock card here. And I have Miss Riley in the color Camogreen. I have done a few different styles in Camogreen. I have Rachel, which is discontinued now. And I think a couple other ones I had in this Camogreen. I love this color. And I'm hoping you can see this dimension. It is sort of a medium brown base, but it is a green wig, but it's not a green wig in that you can't really pull it off. If you want to try something a little bit special, but you don't want to go too crazy, this Camogreen color is really where it's at. It is a little something special. I absolutely love it. I really love Rachel. I have to say, this texture, this is it's a little bit textured. It's maybe a light yucky textured, but it's softer than Rachel was. This style is so beautiful. It's a mid-length style. This is all the hair to the front, so it is definitely, a realistic density. I love just the easy sort of wave to it. You could really take a round brush and play the wave up on it. I have all the clips that I will put in for you of how I got her together. It took like 2 seconds. I just cut the lace, put a little powder on. She does have baby hairs in her, and I just sort of put them up into the style. I didn't even use any heat. I just really put her on, cut the lace, put a little powder on, and combed her. We can look at her from the back. She is a ear-to-ear lace front. She's a pre-tweezed part with baby hair, okay? She comes in a couple colors, but I have to be honest with you, this is really the only color that is left available, which is like the best color, so like whatever. If you really love this wig, I'm gonna do a story on this and a short, just so you can grab her up if you really love her before she's gone, in case I can't get this up ASAP, but I'm going to do my best to get the review up. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Let me see. She was so easy to put on. I think she's a really flattering length. She's pretty true to average. I am 21.5 inches in circumference, which is petite average. She fits me pretty well, and I have my Milano wig grip cap on. I would say she's pretty true to average. I mean, she could go a little bigger, but I would say she's a true average. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. That's a nice length. I'm 5'6.5", so this is where she is falling on me. She would be really cute in a little updo situation. She's really soft. I think if you use some like sea salt spray, I think she would respond really well to that as well. Yeah, I really like this wig. She was inexpensive, definitely under $25. And I really think this is a great wig. So if this is something that you are interested in, again, I think she is really only available in this color. Motown Tress is a really nice, affordable brand. They've been around for a long time. And like I said, this is a unique color. The mix on this is really stunning. It is something where you can kind of go into the fun fashion realm, but it is still like a daily wear situation. I think it is the best of both worlds. And if you wanted to step a little bit out of your comfort zone, but not too crazy, I think this is just a really great, not only color, but this style in this color, I think is really the way to go. So that is what I have for you. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, please put that down below. If you think this is something you'd like to scoop up, also share that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd love to have you. If you'd like to see the other Motown Tress wigs that I have reviewed, I will put the playlist down below for you to check out. And I would love to see you soon, so I will see you in my next video. Bye!